There are several ways in which you can make money online. Sometimes you need to create your own product, your own service. You need to deal with customers so you can take care of refunds and customer service. In this video, I'm going to show you a way in which you can make $800 online. Yes. And this is something that you can do over and over and over. So it's going to be passive income. Hey, hello. My name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a simple method. This is beginner friendly. There is no technical knowledge required. There is no experience required. And this is something that you guys can do worldwide. You can earn $800 per month, even more. By the way, guys, keep watching the entire video because I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. And also, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a bonus, another way in which you can make money online. Now, let me show you everything here on my computer. The website that we're going to be using is called Oplead. You can go to oplead.com, okay, in order to land on this page. What does this website do? Well, they offer a really good service in which you can actually provide followers. Yes, you can help people grow their Instagram followers super fast, okay? And something really important is that they do not need to provide their actual password, okay? Just need to provide their username and people are gonna get real Instagram followers so they can grow their account fast. We are gonna be using a method that it's called affiliate marketing. So we're gonna invite people to use this service. Don't worry, it's not complicated. I'm gonna show you how you can do it really fast. First of all, go to oplead.com and scroll all the way down until you find here where it says affiliates, okay? You're gonna click on that link and you're gonna land on this page, okay? Which is gonna be explaining the Oplead affiliate program. Remember that we're gonna be helping others grow their Instagram account audience faster and we're gonna get a commission at the same time, okay? The affiliate program, it's free to join, okay? There is no hidden cost, okay? You're gonna expect affiliate commission for all orders of clients you bring to Oplead community, okay? You're gonna generate your custom URL, okay? Once you join, you're gonna have your own URL to share with the community, okay? You're gonna share your URL everywhere, okay? You can share it in all the social networks. You're going to be able to track your earning and you're going to get paid. How much money? Well, you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid 30% commission for every order they place in Oplead, okay? Something really important is this is going to be passive income. This is something that you're going to be doing month after month after month. So if you refer one person and that person stay and on the next month or the next week you refer two people, so you're going to be getting, commissions for several people. So this is the way in which you can create passive income. This is going to be a snowball effect, okay? How much money does Oplead cost? Okay, remember that you don't need to pay anything. This is for you to have an idea because you're going to get 30% commission. Well, this service, it's really, really affordable, okay? They do have a plan that it's $9. Yes, you hear right. It's going to be $9 all the way to $39, okay? The most popular plan is this one, which is $19. So this is not a service that people are going to be like, wow, I need to pay, to put out an arm or a leg in order to pay it. No, this is something super, super affordable. And this is a service that people actually need. In order to create your account, you are gonna click here where it says become an affiliate now. And you're gonna land on this page in which you need to provide your first name, your last name, a valid email address, a password. Please make sure that you are gonna click here where it says I'm not a robot, and you're gonna agree to the terms and service. Okay, with that said, you're gonna be able to access UpLead dashboard. Okay, now how do you get people who are interested on this service? Okay, yeah, the more eyeballs we get, the more customer we're gonna get. Okay, so a great place to go, it's called Quora. You're gonna go to Quora.com. Quora, it's a place in which people are gonna be asking questions. And of course, they're expecting for an answer. People can ask about anything, ways to make money online, the best diet, you name it. You're gonna have all those kind of questions here, okay? But of course, there are gonna be people who are gonna be looking for ways to get more Instagram followers, okay? For example, here I type how to get more Instagram, and it says followers without hassle. How can I get more Instagram auto followers? What are the best ways to get more Instagram followers? And as you notice, UpLead, it's all about growing Instagram. So people who are going to be interested on this, right, are people who are actually looking for this solution. So let me click here so I can show you an example. Okay, how can I get more Instagram followers without hassle? You're going to see people here who are actually answering these questions. You can add your comment. Okay, you can add your comment. You can put in step by step. You can put tutorials. By the way, you can share tips that you read on Google, and you can create your own answers. Okay, and you can put your link to UpLead. As you can see, you also have related questions. How do I get 1,000 plus Instagram followers? How do I get followers on Instagram quickly? Okay, these people, okay, and these questions are related to what UpLead solve, okay? So you can also create your own question here on Quora, and you can create and provide your own answer with a really long article or with a really short article, right? About how they can actually get Instagram's followers. Okay, you can see you have people who are answering, but you can also provide a type your own question with your own answer. Okay, so this is a really good way in which you can actually help people with their problem. In this case, is going to be how they can get Instagram followers, and also you are going to be also getting commissions. Okay, so guys, remember at the beginning of the video I told you that there is a way, or there is another way in which you can make money online. So if you're looking for another way in which you're going to be making money while you travel, making money while you sleep passively, yes, this is going to be passive income. You're going to have the opportunity to live your life in your own terms. You're going to have the opportunity to fire your boss. I'm going to leave a link below with my #1 recommendations to make money online. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. This is going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.